Okay, I glitched out Tails. And wherever I go, he goes with me, but he stays up there. Like, okay, if I went over here, and I went up here, and I went in the room, all myself, I look up, and Tails is always popping up there. Wherever I go, he's up there. No. There you go. Leave me alone, Tails. You're just a creeper. Oh, no. Gosh. Tails is a creeper. Well, that was us running away from Tails. That was me running away from Tails. Bye.